When it comes to master planned estates, it's safe to say nothing beats Ayala. Whenever they establish their presence, their footprint in an area, they make sure that they transform that community, and that community ages beautifully through time. We have seen their track record. They have transformed Makati CBD, Ayala Alabang, BGC, and also Nuvali. And I'm pleased to show you updates of Alveo's newest village here, Sereneo. This is how it looks like right now. And like kong sinasabi, this is really the prime time for you to take advantage of the pre-selling terms. Ito yung dapat na panahon na ginagrab natin para maka-ensure tayo that we're getting the lowest price, the best payment terms. Especially if you're the type of person who wants to really design your own home, achieve your modern mansion, and meron ka talagang certain degree of customization sa exterior, sa facade, and sa interior ng bahay mo, because Alveo will allow you to do that. This is really perfect for those looking for a lot within the 250 to 500 square meter range. Because previously, if nakita mo na yung mga previous videos namin, we featured Solen Residences. Ang mga lote dito nasa 150 square meters. Then sa Trava naman, by Greenfield also, mga nasa 550 square meters ang minimum cut nila. So if you're looking for a residential lot that's in the middle of that size, between 275 to 500 square meters, Sereneo is the most ideal village for you, especially if you want a suburban living, if you want to experience ano ba yung ino-offer ni Metro Santa Rosa or ng Laguna Central Business District. And even if you're not yet planning to build your home, you're just looking for an investment vehicle such as real estate, alam naman natin, kapag sa Ayala ka kumuha, the value of your investment will continue to go up because there's no question. There are no questions asked. Talagang the value appreciation will keep on coming, especially you're investing in a master plan community. Hindi lang, it's not just the lot that you're buying here. You're buying the community, the vibe, the overall master plan that Ayala will really take care of. Everything that Ayala touches, it turns to gold, and it's your opportunity to collect that gold by owning a piece of an Ayala development. And idagdag pa natin that Ayala is the Philippines' largest master planned estate developer. And Nuvali, ito lang naman yung flagship and largest estate ni Ayala in the entire country. And whenever Ayala is building a new township or a new estate in a different part of Luzon or other parts of the Philippines, Nuvali na ang nagiging role model. This is a flagship for all the right reasons. The high demand for an Ayala project is very apparent, very evident, especially pag tinignan mo yung map of availability or inventory. Kahit wala pa tayong nakikitang roads dito sa Sereneo, ang dami nang nasold na lots. Because the investors who really buy in an Ayala community, they really trust the brand, they trust the workmanship, and the long-term value, talagang future-proof ang investment mo dito. And it gives you a certain degree of flexibility if hindi ka pa sure kung magpapatayo ka ng bahay dito. If you're based abroad, marami kong clients na citizens na, they've been living in another country for over 10 years, more than, or maybe for decades already, they haven't been back to the Philippines. Pero marami kasi mga Pilipino abroad na they still want to retire here in the Philippines for many reasons. One being mas malaki yung purchasing power ng pera nila dito. Two, iba pa rin talaga ang spirit, ang vibe talaga dito because their family is here. And iba rin talaga yung mga tao dito. And of course, the weather, the climate, ayaw na nila ng winter. They're tired of, wearing different layers of clothes every winter. And syempre, for health reasons na rin, mas maganda pa rin talaga ang tropical climate. So yeah, if you haven't watched my previous Sereneo vlogs, I'll be happy to give you a refresher. Saan nga ba located tong village na to? This is located in New Valley South, just across Miriam College, New Valley. So pag exit mo ng Cavite Laguna Expressway, Laguna Boulevard exit, then you will reach the intersection of New Valley and Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. You will just go straight on New Valley Boulevard. You will just drive along that road. Makikita mo dyan yung Landers, Seda, Ayala Mall Soledad, yung man-made lake where you can feed some koi fish, ride a boat. Then you will see S&R and the ongoing construction of Soledad 4. You have immediate access to everything you need, yung mga essentials mo. There are many grocery stores to choose from, restaurants, banks, gasoline stations. You can run errands here. Ako mismo as a resident of New Valley, ang dali lang mabuhay dito. Because I don't need to go to Metro Manila. Pupunta lang ako doon whenever I meet some friends. But most of my life is just here. I eat out, I jog. So I do everyday needs na nahahanap ko sa mga establishments dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. And according to my clients who have been living in the US, in Europe, in Canada, or Australia, sobrang nagandahan sila sa New Valley because of the ecocentric development. Because the sustainability is really important for Ayala. And they were able to make sure that there's a balance of closeness to nature and convenience. Hindi pwedeng puro concrete jungle lang dito. There should be enough parks, open spaces, leisure activities for families to enjoy. And sabi ng clients ko, parang they will be able to keep the lifestyle that they're used to in the US or abroad when they live here. Kaya they really like the charm of the area because mapuno, maraming greenery, maaliwalas yung drive from the CBD sa may Landers Soledad area papunta rito. Very relaxing. I experience it every single day and I can attest to that. If you come to think of it, if you decide to come back to the Philippines, build your home here and retire here, you don't want to degrade the lifestyle and you want to keep the lifestyle, the quality of life, the standard of living na nakagistan mo na sa ibang bansa, may it be sa US or other countries. And as a resident of New Valley, I'm confident that you'll be able to achieve your retirement dreams when you choose to live here. Wala pa akong mapakitang structure sa inyo, amenity area or neighborhood, but for you to have a glimpse, ano nga bang itsura ng mga Alveo communities kapag tapos na sila, pag may mga bahay na sa loob, here's a sample aerial view of one of the communities here, which is Mondia. Ang nagustuhan ko sa mga Alveo communities is malalapad yung roads and rolling terrain, so there's a certain appeal to it na may premium touch. Diba? Parang rolling terrain kasi you will be able to play around the layout of your house to showcase and you can be really unique. Pwede magkaroon ng distinct features yung bahay mo. You can make it multi-level, depende kung uphill or side hill yung lote mo. And low density yung community because minimum nasa 250 square meters usually kapag Alveo. Walang mga 100 plus to 200 square meters. So in a block, kaunti lang yung bahay relatively compared to other communities. Hindi pa lang natin ma-visualize ano itsura niyan, pero these renders will help you visualize ano maging itsura ng community pag natapos. And it's actually better and it's a good sign na napapanood mo tong video na to. You're really lucky because nakita mo yung Sereneo nang ganito pa lang siya. Because wag na nating hintayin na tapos na yung community before we decide to invest here in New Valley. Because as we know, every time that a new village is launched or a new cluster, a new phase is launched, it starts at a higher price. So again, New Valley is 2,400 hectares. Sobrang dami pang nakapila sa pipeline ng Ayala. As of now, July 2025, view deck pa rin makikita natin sa site. But of course, I really like the amenities of Sereneo. If I compare this to the other existing Alveo communities, they really made an effort to thoughtfully plan the amenity area. What I really love about this is the huge central park. And not just that, we have 6 pocket parks and 2 linear parks scattered across the entire neighborhood. And yung mga parks na to, they're only 200 meters radial distance from one another. Kaya kahit saan ka bumili, nasan man yung lote mo, you're definitely just a walking distance away from the nearest park. In the 3-hectare Central Park, we can find the clubhouse, boardroom, function room, garden courtyard, a lap pool, kiddie pool, a basketball court, a kids play area, a central lawn, and picnic grounds. These amenities will ensure that you will have a quality of life as you build and grow your family. You will certainly thrive amidst nature here. When will this be turned over? So dahil mahaba ang payment term si Alveo ngayon, so nasa 3 years to pay siya. So ang turnover natin will start around 2028. Now, if you haven't noticed, what I also love about this village is that you're surrounded with picturesque views. Behind me is Tagaytay Ridge. As you can see, every single day, pwedeng ito yung view mo from your master's bedroom. And if ever yung lot mo naman sa ibang direction nakaharap, we have Mount Makiling right here. Then rotate lang tayo ng konti. We have here Laguna Lake. Diba? Very scenic. It proves kung gaano kataas yung elevation nitong Sereneo. It's more than 200 meters above sea level. So talagang flood-free. Then here, you can see the Metro Manila skyline. It's not as close, but this proves, or this shows how unobstructed the views are and how elevated this area is. But of course, more than the views, syempre iisipin natin dito yung day-to-day living, the comfort. Dahil nga elevated dito, mas presko yung hangin, mas maaliwalas. Actually, 1 degree cooler than Metro Manila. If you check your weather app right now, kahit naka-iPhone or Android, or kahit sa website, no? This is 1 degree cooler. So check mo sa Makati, compare mo sa Taguig, no? Dito sa area na to, it's talagang mas malamig. As a resident of this area, I can confirm that. Kasi hindi siya yung, dahil hindi nga polluted dito, wala masyadong skyscrapers. Tapos itagdag mo pa yung nature, surrounded ka ng greenery, maraming puno. So it really makes a huge difference. Lalo na kung retiree ka, or nasanay ka na sa malinis yung hangin, wala lapad yung kalsada, maraming greenery, or you're a family na gusto nang umalis sa polluted Metro Manila. At dahil nga wala pa tayong makitang road networks here, di pa tapos yung amenity area, talagang nasa very early pre-selling stage tayo. So let me just orient you hanggang saan ba dito yung Sereneo. So here in this landing pad, we have this site development map. So yung landing pad is located in one of the corner areas. Actually, marami pa tayong loteng available dito sa kinatatayuan natin ngayon. And yung elevation nito, dahil nga rolling terrain siya, papataas ang papataas yung elevation niya as we go deeper papunta doon. So ngayon, ito, diretsohin mo pa to hanggang dyan pa sa Sereneo. Pag tinignan mo sa map, we're just on the edge dito sa may Diversity Road, intersection ng Evo Living Parkway. And good news, as of July 2025, we still have very nice premium lots very near the amenity area. Meron pa dito, as you can see, walking distance ka lang sa amenities sa Central Park. Also, on this block, sa Block 51, marami pa tayong lots na nasa likod mo ay open space. So, hindi ka directly nakadikit sa kapitbahay mo sa likod. We also have a few lots available dito sa Central Park mismo. 390 to 500 square meters. Imagine, behind your home is the Central Park itself. So this is a very premium lot, whether as an end user or investor. This is a steal. Bihira lang yung mga villages na merong ganitong lots available. How much is a lot here in Sereneo? I'm gonna show you computations for 2 lots, 1 being the inner lot and 2 being a premium lot. So sa inner lot muna tayo. For a 275 square meter lot, the total price is 14.3 million. The terms now we have here for Sereneo is very flexible compared to their usual payment terms. So we have 10, 10, 80 for regular inner lots. So it means 10% spot down payment, 10% spread in 3 years, then 80% balance payable by cash or bank financing. The reservation fee for all lots is 100K. Then after more or less than a month, so you'll be paying the 10% spot down payment na nasa 1.3 million pesos. Then magaan na lang yung monthly payment natin for 3 years, which is only 40,000 pesos. And after that, after the 3 years, you will now settle the balance in cash or through bank financing, yung 11.4 million remaining na 80%. Magbabayad ka ng other charges for title transfer and miscellaneous fees nasa around 700,000 pesos. So note na sa ngayon, meron tayong 2% discount, kaya discounted na tong price na to. So we're not sure yet until when this discount will apply. And good news, kahit nga mas flexible na to, dati kasi hindi kayang magbigay ni Alveo ng 10% spread. Usually talaga yan, mga 30 to 40% kahit inner lot. Pero ngayon, kahit naka 10% spread ka lang, meron tayong 2% discount. So discounted na tong price na to. So you're gonna have a cost of avoidance or savings of up to 260K. For spot cash payment, good news, malaki ang discount ni Alveo ngayon, 18%. So for this same lot, 275 square meters, so from 14.3 million, ang magiging total contract price na lang niya is 12 million pesos. Imagine, more than 2 million yung natipid mo because of the spot cash term. So how does it go? So after the 100K reservation fee, you will now settle the 90%, which is around 10.8 million. Then, yung remaining 10% natin, isa-settle mo siya sa turnover pa, which is after around 3 years, yung natitirang 1 million. Then, ganun lang din, yung other charges, isa-settle mo siya. Dahil nga na-discount natin yung price for spot cash, liliit din yung other charges, magiging 590K na lang siya. Now, this premium lot is really a steal because this is actually super rare considering na sobrang dami ko nang nakitang villages here in this New Valley area, no? So this premium lot, may good news, meron pa tayong loteng available. Yan, yung likod mo is yung Central Park. So imagine the view, no? Imagine your view every single day. So dahil nga premium ito, ang presyo natin for a 398 premium lot is nasa 23.9 million. So 100K reservation fee. Ngayon, terms natin is magiging 10, 30, 80. So 10% spot down payment. So that's around 2.2 million after the reservation fee. Then yung monthly down payment mo for 3 years, that will be 199,000 per month. So kasi 30% na siya, no? Dahil nga ito ay premium. Then yung remaining 60% balance, you can pay it in cash or through bank financing. For spot cash payment, 18% discount will apply. So from 23.9 million, magiging 20 million na lang itong premium lot natin na ang likod mo is Central Park. So reservation fee 100K, then after paying 90%, which is 18.1 million, hintayin lang natin yung turnover para i-settle mo yung remaining 10%. So really amazing. This is a good time to invest for an Alveo lot because bihira lang sila mag-offer ng ganitong kalaking discounts and ganito ka-flexible na payment terms. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed our 2025 project updates for Sereneo. So I really encourage you to book a call habang ganito po itsura ng Sereneo and habang meron pa tayong corner lots, premium lots along the Central Park because dahil nga Alveo to, Ayala siya, so medyo mabilis lang din mag-price increase. And of course, the availability can change drastically. I'll be happy to show you around so that you can appreciate more ano ba yung vibe, what it's like to live here in New Valley. So please don't hesitate to call me on this mobile number, +63 956 356 2753. That's also my Viber and WhatsApp. So don't forget, of course, to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell para lagi kayo updated whenever we have new project updates here in our channel. Once again, this is Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.